What's up guys, it's Rav. I have an insanely quick video today I'm going to do for you guys. I'm doing this video so quick because I want to use the thing and I wanted to do an unboxing video for it. So real quick, I'm going to unbox this. Well, I should probably unlock the truck first. There we go. Show you guys what I have here. This is the Iceco Go 20G portable 12-volt refrigerator. I had bought this and then contemplating on getting the I think it's like a JPL 55, and the measurements, I mean, it came all the way out to here. I ordered a middle shelf for my Molly panel system here. So that other refrigerator was like 19.3 inches tall. So last but least, I just decided I would just stay with the Go Zero, or this Go 20, because once my middle shelf comes in, I plan on, if it's small enough, actually plan on hopefully putting it right here, because as a photographer and doing videography, I carry a lot of lights in here and a lot of gear. So I do still need my gear storage, even though I'm overlanding and doing overlanding. I think I need to get new struts for this thing. But anyway, without further ado, this is the clock spring I had to replace in this Xterra. Well, if I can get it to slide out. Come on, baby. There we go. So I already cut the top of the tape, so I wouldn't have to struggle with that. Let's see. And this is a very small refrigerator, so first thing we have is going to be the power supply. Now it does come with a 12 volt, which is probably what I plan on using, is the 12 volt connector, because I have a 12 volt power supply right here in the back of this truck. So that's what I'm thinking, if it'll hopefully fit on this mid shelf. Once the mid shelf comes in from Orange Box, and I can place it right here, then I can plug it in right there. Then we got the user's manual from Iceco. And then, last but not least, we'll get to the refrigerator here. Let's see if I can get this out somehow to get it out without dropping anything. I wish it looked a little bit more rugged. It kind of looks like a printer, but it's not. That JP, I don't know if it's a JPL. I'll put it on the screen. The other one I was looking at. I love the looks of it. Just wish this one was built or looked more like that one, because that one was literally exactly aesthetics wise of what I was looking for, or what I want. They have a new 45 evidently that's coming out. Oh yeah, this thing will fit like right there perfectly. They have a new, I think Iceco has a new 45 liter that's coming out that will probably replace this one. Let's see. I think this is the front. It is kind of amazing like how much of a printer this thing it looks. It really does look like a printer. But it's small, compact. The reason I went with this is, I think my camera lost. Come on, baby. There we go. The reason I went with this specific one, even though it's smaller than what I wanted, is because it's a dual zone. You take this out and it'll turn it into just a refrigerator or a freezer, or if you have this partition in here, you have freezer on this side and refrigerator on this side. So I overland a lot of times with literally nothing. I mean, not even a cooler. I just buy some stuff. So this is definitely going to make my life easier. And even when I'm working out on set, my plan is to keep like some Monsters and energy drinks in there, because we're working 12-hour days. But I think this thing is going to slide right in here, just like this. And then I actually did, oh, it actually fits perfect. And then I actually did order a, is my tracking working? Yeah. And then I did order, if you're wondering what camera I'm using, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I did order a solar panel. It's a trickle charger. I think it's only 30 watts. So I'm not sure if it's going to be adequate enough to keep my battery, my truck battery, because I don't have dual battery system on this vehicle yet. Hopefully one day soon. But this thing shouldn't use that much power. So I'm hoping that I can, during the sunny day, keep it on the trickle charger. And then I'm going to find like a, I think Iceco actually has like a battery pack for their refrigerators, like $100 and something. That lasts for like 11 hours on a decent sized refrigerator. So this one will probably be like 15 to get me through the night so my solar panel can work through the day. And I plan on putting some solar panels on this truck eventually. Just have to figure out exactly which one. So this is what we're gonna be using majority of the time, I think. I don't even think I have to uncoil that. I think it'll plug right in right here. Is that right? Yep. Plug it in right here. I'm not going to be doing a review on this today. Oh, cool. I mean, it's perfect. It goes right here. See if it starts up. Oh. Yep, and it starts up. Cool. I'm going to have to figure out how to coil this different, though. Let's see. Or I want to hide it. I actually have a net pocket right here. I think I can hide all of this cord literally right there. I don't think this could have worked any better. And I do want to say that, like a lot of people, I am not sponsored by Iceco. Oh, my phone is ringing. Probably a spam call. Yeah, it's going to voicemail. I'm not sponsored by Iceco. None of these companies sponsor me. I've reached out to a few of them. I never really get any responses back. So I bought this with my own money. And I will be actually doing a review on it at some point. I will do a review on it at some point to let you know how I like it. And this, I have a tie down right here, or a strap, so I'll like try to strap this down so it's not a projectile. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know how long it'll take it to cool down. Oh, and the other thing I forgot to mention is there's an Iceco app. So this thing actually works on an app. So you can download the app, which I have not done yet. But there is an app that I will be using to control the temperature. So you can literally like use the app to control it literally from anywhere, I believe, or outside the truck. Anyway, as you can see, it is super small. You're not going to get a whole lot of stuff in there, but like I said, I don't really carry that much, and I would rather do this than like a drink cooler. I'm not a cooler person, so I'm going to have the freezer over here, and then like if I'm taking like some frozen meat or something, and then fridge there. But not having to deal with like cooler water is the reason I don't do coolers, is because I can't deal with the cooler water. So this is gonna make things a lot better, I think. I do wish it was a little bigger, but like I said, once I get my mid shelf should go right here across. And I actually think I can turn this thing this way and set it directly up in here. I don't know if I'll be able to open it though. That's gonna be the only, I don't know if I'll have enough room to open it. Oh, I think it's a soft close. Yeah, it's a soft close lid. Set that again. Yeah. Well, all right, guys. That's going to do it for my unboxing of the Iceco Go 20G 12-volt refrigerator. Runs off 12-volt and DC, regular DC house current as well. You have that plug right here. All right, guys. That's going to do it. Till next time, take it easy. And remember, keep looking up because that's where it all is.